Hey, welcome back to the channel. I'm Annu Arora. In this video, we will learn the right way to do Surya Namaskar. If you learn the right way to do Surya Namaskar, you can easily lose 10 kgs at home. First step is let's join our hands together in front of our heart. Breathe slowly and deeply. Then we go towards the second step, taking our hands up and back. Try to curve the back, feel the good stretch in the back, taking our pelvis forward and hands back. Breathe slowly and calmly. Then taking our hands out and down, lengthening the spine here and slowly dropping your hands down to the ground, placing the hands next to your toes, to your feet, trying to take your head down. Then taking the right leg back and dropping the right knee down, pelvis forward and taking your head up, look up. Stay there in this position, breathe calmly and slowly. Then taking the left leg back, join both feet together and come in a plank position. Your head, your hips, your toes one line. Next step is dropping both knees down, hips up and shoulders down. So you see how this V has been made from my hips, knees and chest. And chin is tucking on the ground, touching the ground. And then slowly taking the head up, coming in a cobra position. So our head is up, looking back, trying to look up and back, shoulders back, and then curl the toes inside. Slowly lift your hips up as high as you can. Try to touch the chest towards your knees, feeling a good stretch in the back. Then taking the right leg forward, dropping the left knee down and look up. Go very slow, breathe calmly and try to feel a good stretch in the body. And then bringing your left leg forward, both legs together now, both feet together now. Slowly take your hands up and again take it back, feel a good stretch and relax. Now this is just the one part of one round. This is just on the right side. Now we will do it on the left side. Same thing. Hands together in front of your heart, your chest. Breathe slowly, deeply. Taking your hands back. Give a good stretch in the back, pelvis forward and slowly out and down. Dropping your head down, your hands down. Try to touch your head to the knees. Now taking this time the left leg back, dropping your left knee down, pelvis forward, head up. Take your right leg back, both feet together now and coming in a plank position. One line, body is in one line. Dropping your knee down now and hips up and dropping your shoulders down. Chin is touching on the ground. And now we slowly lift our head up, coming in a cobra position. Try to take your shoulders back, feel a good stretch in the back. And then slowly tuck your toes in, lifting your hips up high as much as you can. And try to touch your chest towards your knees, feeling a good stretch in the back. Lifting your left leg forward now this will be one round. Both feet together, and then we slowly lift our hands up and back, giving a good stretch back and slowly down. This is just one round. So try to do 10 rounds to see amazing difference. You can easily lose 10 kgs if you do it daily. Now here we are doing second round. Let's look at it. If you missed any point, play this video and practice along with this video. If you do it the right way, work on every part, stretch every body part, because Surya Namaskar can help you lose fat for almost all body parts. You have to do it right. You have to do minimum of 10 rounds on a daily basis. See, it's working on your arms, it's working on your back, it's working on your belly, it's working on your thighs, and a lot of internal health benefits. Try to go slow, because a lot of people go fast and they are not doing correctly. So it's not about going fast, it's about doing it right. Maybe you do it slow. Once you do it slow, once you know that you're doing it right, then going a little faster will become easier and will give you great results. But in the beginning, if you're doing it fast, you can hurt yourself